Being a welder requires precision, consistency, and control, but when welding at heights, a restrictive harness does not give you the freedom to move and prevents you from being a master at your craft. The FT Weld by Faltech is a specialized harness created exclusively for you. The lightweight, all-Kevlar webbing ensures maximum burn and splatter resistance, while its innovative ergonomic comfort leg straps provide all-day comfort, giving you the maneuverability and flexibility to get the job done right. And to make your job even more comfortable, we included the Faltech AeroGrip D-Ring plate with an ultra-small back pad to reduce D-Ring slippage, giving you maximum comfort throughout the day. The updated SRL connection point allows for faster, hassle-free attachment of all types of single and twin SRLs. And the durable lanyard keeper design improves versatility and reusability while maintaining ANSI compliance. Plus, to extend the service life, we also included a reinforced subpelvic wear pad. The FT Weld is available in single and 3 D-Ring configurations. For more information and updates to Faltech products, click the subscribe button, and for more info on the FT Weld harness, visit faltech.com. Thanks for watching.